What else is in there, Bub?
Paint.
Hey, look at all those colors he brought you.
That's awesome.
What's this? Oh yeah. Look.
What is it?
What are they?
What?
Are these jammies?
Getting new jams for the bunny?
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's cool.
Mm.
And look at this. Crunchy monster. Oh yeah.
Ooh, this Easter bunny's awesome.
That is cool.
That is cool.
Want to wear them for bed?
Yeah, you can wear them for bed, sure. Did you see there's some shorts, I think, there too?
Whoa.
Whoa, what's that?
What kind of paints?
More
Awesome.
paints for your easel.
Look.
What is it? A silly straw? Awesome!
Funny.
That's funny. No.
Oh, dude.
Want to see what's in there? Whoa.
Here, take this one.
What is it?
It's a cat.
It's an egg? Oh, it's a Cadbury egg. Oh.
Hey, look.
What's in that one?
Let's see. It's quarters. Quarters!
Quarters? Wow, look at that money for your piggy bank. What's that?
Look at Daddy.
Oh, a lollipop.
A lollipop.
Neat. Wow, Bub.
Woo.
What are those?
Woo. Water blue.
Oh my goodness.
I wonder what's in there.
That's to help you fill up your balloons with water.
Yeah.
Daddy, there's 2 monster trucks.
Yeah.
What happened to those carrots over there?
An Easter bunny.
Did the bunny eat 'em?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What is it?
Mario.
Mario.
See, Daddy, that Mario jam.
Cool.
Woo! Look, Daddy.
A nerd rope?
Yeah,
That's a big candy for you, mister.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Wow, you got all kinds of stuff.
What a neat Easter bunny, huh?
Look,
Cool.
lots of Play-Doh.
That Easter bunny.
Yay! Was that a great Easter basket?
These are the cool pens.
Yeah.
Daddy, I spotted this.
Oh my goodness.
2 silly straws.
Yay!